In today's video, I am going to teach you YouTube doesn't work on smart TV. If the YouTube app is freezing, not loading, or throwing errors on your smart TV, follow along and we will walk through a clean, reliable fix from the simplest checks to a full refresh. First, perform a power cycle, also known as a hard reset. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet and leave it unplugged for a full 60 seconds. This pause allows the TV's internal components and memory to fully discharge, clearing temporary glitches that can break streaming apps. After the minute is up, plug the TV back in and power it on normally. Many playback issues disappear after this quick reset. Next, confirm your internet connection. Open your TV's network settings and make sure it's connected to your Wi-Fi. If the TV shows it's online but other apps are also failing, restart your router to re-establish a clean connection. Give the router a minute or two to fully boot. Then return to the TV and try YouTube again. If YouTube still won't cooperate, update your TV's software. Go to your TV's settings, find the About or System section, and select Check for Updates. Installing the latest firmware improves compatibility and stability for streaming apps. Let the update complete. And if the TV asks to restart, allow it to do so before proceeding. Open your TV's App Store, find YouTube, and check if an update is available. If you see the option, run the update so you are on the newest version designed for your TV's current software. If the problem persists, clear the app's temporary files. Go to Settings, open Apps, select YouTube and choose Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Cache holds short-term files that can become corrupted, and data includes stored preferences. Clearing both gives the app a fresh start. Note that clearing data may sign you out, which is normal. Open YouTube and test playback. If videos now load smoothly, you are all set. If issues persist, fully reinstall the app. Go to Settings, then Apps. Then Manage Apps, select YouTube, and uninstall it. Restart the TV to wipe any leftover fragments from memory. After the TV powers back up, open the App Store, search for YouTube, and reinstall it. Launch the app and verify it's working. That's it. Thanks for watching.